Welcome to Jeff Kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare chicken curry. These are the ingredients that I will use for my chicken coconut curry. I already have my portioned chicken. I'll use some tomatoes, then I'll also use some spices. I have garlic powder, I have turmeric, I also have coriander, I have ginger, and then I have some cloves. Of course, the food has to be made tasty by using the salt. I will also use some onions, and here is my coconut milk, and of course I will use the oil to fry the chicken. So let's begin the process. There we are. I've already put all the spices. Then you mix, and then I'll put the chicken in the fridge for around 10 minutes and then deep fry the chicken. Our chicken is ready. Now I just want to fry it. Allow the chicken to fry. You turn the chicken after a few minutes. Wow, it's looking good. Allow it to cook on the other side again for some few minutes, and then we turn. Our chicken is getting ready. Ensure that it turns a little bit brown. Then give it a few minutes, turn it, and it will be ready. Wow, look at that, our chicken is already fried. Now I want to make the curry. You fry the onions a little, then you can add in some tomatoes. You can add in your spices. Now I have my coriander, I have my garlic powder, there's my ginger, and then turmeric. And you could just mix a little. Add in some little salt, then you can also just add some bit of soy sauce. Wow. You can mix. Then you can cover and allow the tomatoes to get well cooked. The tomatoes are ready. Now you can add in some water. Just cover and allow it to boil. Soup has boiled. Now I put the chicken. Remember, we are making chicken coconut curry. So you put in the chicken and allow it to boil. Now we are putting in our coconut cream. Then mix and bring it to boil.